The smartphone landscape has undergone a transformative shift with the emergence of foldable devices, pioneered by Samsung's Galaxy Fold and Galaxy Flip series. As the market continues to evolve, Apple's innovation trajectory has sparked intense speculation. Will the tech giant unveil a foldable iPhone? This article delves into the likelihood of a foldable iPhone, examining its potential technical specifications and the implications of Apple's entry into the foldable smartphone market. By exploring the possibilities and expectations surrounding a foldable iPhone, we'll uncover what this new chapter in smartphone innovation might hold for consumers and the industry at large. With Apple's reputation for revolutionary designs and user experiences, the prospect of a foldable iPhone is both intriguing and promising. Possible design and technical specification. If Apple does decide to release a foldable iPhone, it's likely to be a clamshell-style device, similar to the Galaxy Flip. This design would allow for a compact form factor when folded, making it easy to carry around. In terms of display size, rumors suggest that the foldable iPhone could boast a 6.7-inch or 6.6-inch screen, providing an immersive viewing experience. Additionally, the device could feature a 120 Hz display, offering silky smooth visuals and enhanced responsiveness. Camera capabilities are also expected to be impressive, with dual rear cameras potentially making an appearance. This would enable advanced features like optical zoom, portrait mode, and improved low-light performance. Potential release date and price. Although Apple has not officially confirmed the release date of a foldable iPhone, industry insiders and analysts speculate that it may arrive in 2026 or 2027. This timeline aligns with Apple's typical product development cycle and allows for sufficient time to refine the technology and user experience. When it does arrive, the foldable iPhone is expected to come with a premium price tag, potentially around $1,100. This positioning would solidify the device's status as a flagship product, rivaling Samsung's Galaxy Fold series and other high-end foldable smartphones. The $1,100 price point would reflect the cutting-edge technology, advanced materials, and meticulous engineering that go into creating a seamless foldable experience. As a flagship device, the foldable iPhone would cater to discerning consumers seeking the latest innovation, superior performance, and sleek design. By entering the foldable market with a high-end offering, Apple would reinforce its commitment to pushing the boundaries of smartphone technology and providing users with unparalleled experiences. Foldable iPhone would signify a groundbreaking shift in Apple's iconic smartphone design, deviating from the traditional rigid form factor that has defined the industry for years. This bold innovation has the potential to transform the way we engage with our devices, offering an unparalleled level of flexibility, convenience, and immersion. With its rumored cutting-edge specifications, including a 6.7-inch or 6.6-inch display, 120 Hz refresh rate, and dual rear cameras, the foldable iPhone promises to redefine the smartphone experience. As we eagerly anticipate the potential release in 2026 or 2027, we'll continue to monitor any developments, providing timely updates on this exciting new chapter in smartphone technology. The prospect of a foldable iPhone has sparked immense curiosity, and we're committed to keeping you informed every step of the way. Stay tuned for further insights, rumors, and official announcements as we embark on this thrilling journey into the future of smartphones.